All right, let's get into this. Tax year 2022, reading the 1040 and 1040 SR instructions. Some hot tips, some cool takes. Let's scroll through. I'm just on the IRS website right here, and I pulled up the instructions, and my experience is that if you read the instructions, it's kind of self-explanatory, but nonetheless, we'll get through it. So if you scroll down, they have the table of contents. If you go and say, hey, what's new? They'll probably give you the changes from last year. If you can remember what happened last year, here's what's new, changes here. And then they have some helpful hints. So for 2022, you will use 1040, or if you were born before January 2nd, 1958, you have the option to use the 1040 SR. You may only need to file the 1040 or 1040 SR and none of the numbered schedules, schedules 1 through 3. However, if your return is more complicated, for example, you claim certain deductions or credits or additional taxes, you will need to complete one or more of the numbered schedules. Below is a general guide to which schedules you will need to file based on your circumstances. See the instructions for the schedules for more information. If you e-file your return, the software you use will generally determine which schedules you need. So there you go. That's some helpful hints from the IRS instructions 1040.